What does conditioning a space center environment have in common with serving chilled beer? An MRI scanner with your favorite ice cream? What does machining highly accurate automobile parts have in common with formulating life-saving drugs? Or achieving that perfect shade of denim with manufacturing reliable defense equipment? What does a life science R&D lab have in common with the shipping industry?
Process cooling. Every industry that you come across needs process cooling. Let's take machine tool industry for example, or the chemical industry, or the pharma industry, breweries, wineries, bakeries. All these processes produce heat, and the heat is undesired at the production site. So we need to remove this heat and throw it into a space which is unobjectionable.
Established in 1986, Werner Finley offers end-to-end process cooling solutions across industries in India and abroad. Based in Bangalore, our ISO-approved manufacturing facility is driven by a skilled workforce and a team which has decades of experience in industrial refrigeration.
We started this company with only 5 people. Later on, slowly it grew to this stage today. Today we are about 200 people working in this company, and a mix-up of very talented engineers, mid-level skills, and also the people who have got manual skills.
Even today, a good deal of work that goes into building the chiller is done manually, making continuous practice key to building flawless products. Our people, some of whom have been with the company for decades, bring with them technical dexterity that only experience can give. They are supported by a design team that is in tune with today's technology, adding a contemporary edge to our solutions.
I am working here from the past 11 years.
I am working in Werner Finley Pvt Ltd.
For past 13 years.
2 years.
2.5 years.
Last 13 years.
16 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
We are all like a family and it's a good feeling to work here.
I am very proud to work in Werner Finley.
ನಾನು ಒಂದು 26 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Our people, like the components which make our machines, have stood the test of time. From design to delivery and after-sales service, Werner Finley employs the best.
We take utmost care in choosing our components or subsystem assemblies, be it the compressors from Danfoss or the pumps from Grundfos or the shell and tube heat exchangers from Alpha Level. These are some of the world's most trusted brands.
Every Werner Finley product undergoes a rigorous 8-hour testing process. In fact, most of these tests are done under simulated conditions in line with the customer's environment.
Our job does not end at delivery and installation of the equipment. We have a battery of service engineers located at various parts of the country. We have, I would say, as many people as we have in the shop floor. We have a number of AMC, annual maintenance contracts, ranging to about 2,000 to 3,000 equipments across the country. And we even service chillers and refrigeration equipments of other makes.
In earlier days, chillers were supplied by companies who supply the X-ray machine as well. But in recent times, Werner Finley in particular have developed technology which is on par with anything around the world. And it so happens that now we have a large number of Werner Finley chiller units. We have about 40 odd installed. Among these, many of them support both low-end and high-end X-ray diffraction machines. And the chillers have been working error-free, fault-free for over several years. In fact, the maintenance, if any required, is also done within 24 hours.
While service is one face of being responsive to our customers, the other is actually understanding their needs and building products to suit them.
In the machine tool industry, there was a need for filtration and chiller unit combined. So we worked very closely with the machine tool industry and came up with a solution which will suit their requirement.
Our line of business, it is not with a mass production, it's a mass customization. Each customer comes with a unique specifications, unique applications, unique requirement.
Werner Finley products are designed to be user-friendly, low maintenance and easily serviceable. Our chillers can be installed in both indoor and outdoor environments. Simple yet effective design innovations make Werner Finley chillers and panel air conditioners last longer.
Recently, there was a requirement at Vikram Sarabhai Space Center for its simulator, where they wanted to control humidity as well as temperature under vacuum conditions. That was a great challenge that we took up, and we successfully installed this.
Right from the inception, Lieber is using Werner Finley make, analysis and the chiller units.
We have Werner Finley product since 10 years, and one of your product, I think I have called the service engineer after 8 years of installation. That is how I can say about Werner Finley.
The recent FDI policies have opened up a huge opportunity in the cold chain area. So we've already started giving out our cold room solutions. We've installed quite a few cold rooms in microbreweries as well as in restaurants.
So there are 3 chillers that we picked up from Werner Finley, but we also are now buying 4 cold rooms from them, and everything for our storage of our beers as well as for our yeast propagation. These guys were incredibly technically competent. They were nice guys, they knew what they were talking about, and they were enthusiastic. They were hungry for the business. And even though we're a small company, they really were interested in working with us. So we've gone to Werner Finley exclusively for all our cooling requirements.
At Werner Finley, we do our best to work for a greener tomorrow. We are consciously phasing out the use of refrigerants that harm the ozone layer. The use of digital scrolls and variable frequency drives makes our products more energy efficient. Furthering our commitment to the next generation, we have adopted the Arehalli School at Uttarahalli, Bangalore.
ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ತಾವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅಡುಗೆಯರು 3 ಜನನು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಲೇ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು.
From 5 people to 100, and from one of the first homegrown Indian brands to among the best, it has been a long journey. A journey that continues to be driven by an innate need to excel in design, service, and our commitment to people, both within and outside Werner Finley.